Hi, I'm Andrea Colman from Fine Finishes Design, and we are here in Mississauga. This was a renovation that we did for a young family with 3 small boys. This kitchen really was in need of a desperate update. It was lacking storage, functionality, and the flow was just all wrong. Previously, there was a 30-inch doorway leading in from the kitchen into the dining room. It really segregated the space. We were able to remove the wall and create a really large opening that allows the light to flow from one space to the next and really connects the 2 rooms. We decided to keep the sink where it was underneath the window, which overlooks the backyard. It's just really such a beautiful view from there. We did also decide to leave the back door, which is a sliding door leading out to the pool. It really is in a perfect location. It's tucked in the corner of the room, so it doesn't get in the way of anything. On the one end of the kitchen, we were able to install floor-to-ceiling pantry, which really is able to house so much dry goods, and it's all within easy access. We were able to incorporate this 9-foot island, which is absolutely fabulous. It takes the place of their kitchen table, has tons of storage, and a huge amount of work surface. We were also able to tuck in a small beverage fridge at the end. So on that hot summer day, you can come in from outside and grab a cool bevy. The clients wanted a light, fresh look to their kitchen, something that would stand the test of time. The inspiration for the color scheme really came from the Calcutta Nouveau counters with this lovely soft veining running through. We pulled that gray into the color for the island and also repeated it on the backsplash. We added accents of black throughout the kitchen, in the hardware, in the faucet, and in the lighting. We repeated the grays with the counter stools, which have a lovely dark leather on the back of the chair and a soft chenille seat. We added a lot of additional lighting in this space, layered one at a time. Starting with the ceiling, we added additional pot lights, and then we have under cabinet lighting, and of course, these lovely pendants. The shape of them is quite exquisite, and the fact that they're glass means that your sightline remains unbroken. The renovation itself took about 3 months. We began mid-October and finished the first week of January. The biggest challenge was being so close to the holidays. It came down to a real crunch. The total cost of the renovation was around $80,000, and that included taking down the walls, the support beam, and everything that you see here. The clients absolutely love this space. They live in their kitchen now. It's really brought them together as a family. They play board games here, they work, do homework, they can do absolutely everything in this kitchen together without getting in each other's way. It's really become the hub of their home.